Here's what we've done so far. Plywood's completely installed. We've cut out for the vents, the AC unit, the fans. This is about 91 inches wide and 27 feet long is the actual area we're working with. We're going to install the membrane today. We've been fighting the weather with this. We had a little over 4 inches of rain yesterday. We've been lucky and haven't had any water damage, as you can see. It's come out pretty good. It's in place. We're gonna let it heat up with the sun for a half hour, and of course it's clouded up. Indiana weather, man, you gotta love it. Check it out. It's supposed to be mostly sunny today. That looks lovely. It's on and it's heavy. As soon as our great Indiana sun comes out and heats this up to get the wrinkles out, we're going to start to glue it down. The adhesive, it's a contact cement. This is what we use to lay down and install the plywood decking on the roof of the RV. It's about $119 a gallon for this. My brother actually found this on eBay for about $80. And to install the membrane is about $40 for this, the acrylic adhesive, which we're going to use to install the membrane. Alright, we're applying the adhesive to the decking, and the easiest way for the two of us to handle the membrane is to roll it out. Alright, we got the back down. We're going to roll the front now and roll it out. The adhesive's really sticking good. Alright, we've got the roof membrane completely glued on. Now we're doing the cutouts for the vent fan. Cut an X and use a hole punch in the corner here to keep it from running. We'll fold these down, staple them, trim them off, and then install the vents. This is our bathroom vent with a fan. About halfway through the installation, we got the screws going in. There's butyl tape underneath of the trim piece here, which seals it, and then we'll have butyl tape on top covering all the screw heads that go all the way around. And it should take us another 10 minutes or so to get the rest of the screws in. Alright, here are the two vents, one with a small electric motor for the bathroom installed. We have our vent cap there installed, and we're working on these two here. Are new, about $35 a piece for them, even with the electric motor. The front vent is a high volume. We reused it because it's about $200 and it still works perfect. We just cleaned it up. And the AC unit sits right here. We're going to wait until tomorrow to put that back up here. But the membrane is laying down really nice. Got another vent cap to put on right there. And I'll keep you updated. Alright, we've got the vents installed. The one we have left is the air conditioner unit, which we're going to do. Got the Eternabond tape around each one. Maybe a little hard to see in this light. Down the vents for the toilet, and the vent for the refrigerator, and we have to do the end caps and the side. We're attaching the side trim on the passenger side. This is where the awning attaches, and there's butyl tape underneath the trim and a screw about every 6 inches. Once that's complete, we'll trim with a hook blade. We'll trim the rest of the roof membrane off flush with the bottom of the trim side, which we've already installed the side trim and trimmed off the roof membrane. Makes a real nice edge. Now we just cover up all the screw heads in the channel of the trim. We're in another rain delay. Trim's back on. Everything's watertight, no leaks, but we don't have the air conditioner back on the roof yet. If you're ever in a drought, just take the roof off your RV. I'm sure you'll get plenty of rain. Here she is, all done. Just need to put the awning back on. Here it is, complete. Air conditioner's running. I forgot to mention the antenna. It's installed. There's Eternabond tape on the front and back caps. We did have another rain after it was completely done, and no leaks. Really happy with the way it come out. Big improvement over the way she was. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Now it's time to go camping.